Hi guys, welcome back to FLACKBOX'S channel. I'm Shaina and I'm here on this channel to do a series of vlog about my journey in reviewing for the Cisco CCNA. If you're new to our channel or if you just found this video somewhere, I suggest to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I posted a new video. And what is up guys? How are you? And I am now on my 6th month of my review for the CCNA, and I'm very excited to let you know that I am now on 93% progress. 2 sections to go guys, and I'm about to finish the video tutorial. Where are you now on our review guys? Let me know on the comment section and let me know how you're feeling right now, because right now I'm feeling nervous as I am approaching to finish the video tutorial, and my problem is how can I retain all of the things that I've learned from the very start. I don't know guys if I can remember all of the things that I've studied, but I think I need to do another second round of review, which is some sort of refresher. And right now I'm about to start the section 37, which is all about wireless networking fundamentals, and I'm done reviewing section 35 and section 36, which is all about one of your favorite topic guys, QOS or quality of service and cloud computing. These 2 topics are new topic on Cisco review or Cisco exam as what our instructor advised, and this video is more on the pointers to review about this new topic. He gave us tips and what are the things that we need to remember when we go there on that topic on our review. Since guys, like QOS and cloud computing, these are very broad topic and we don't need to remember all of the things here. We don't need to remember the deep configuration in related to QOS and cloud computing. So I'm just going to share with you some pointers to review or some tips that our instructor informed, and that was this video is all about. And I hope this video will help you or will help us to filter the important things to remember or the ideas that we need to remember when we go to this topic. As per our instructor Neil Anderson, there are 3 topics on CCNA, which is a new technology or a new topic, and that is QoS, cloud computing, and SDN. Since this is a new topic or new technology, Cisco will not expect us to know how to configure it. For example, in QoS guys, they are not expecting us to know how to configure congestion management or traffic policing or traffic shaping, but what they are expecting from us is we must know what they are, and they're also expecting that we know the foundational level knowledge of how they work. That is the advice of our instructor. So it is more on definition of terms. We must know the meaning of the terminologies that we will encounter on this topic, and we must know the theory behind it. But on the tutorial video guys, our instructor show us some example of configuration in related to QoS for us to have an idea how the configuration looks like, but we don't need to focus on it. We don't need to focus on the commands on the configuration, but we need to know how it looks like so we will get familiar with it. In other words, we don't need to focus on the syntax or how to configure, but we should focus on the idea behind it, the theory, the definition of terms, and we should know how to explain the terminologies that we can possibly encounter on this topic. What are the things that I've learned from the topic QoS? On this topic guys, we're able to know the example of congestion, effects of congestion, and how to mitigate it. And you will also encounter the common ways to recognize the traffic through classifications and marking techniques. And we will also learn about congestion management and some example of congestion management, and we will also learn how the traffic shaping and traffic policing works. There are also some example of shaping configuration here. This is a short topic, guys. QOS. You don't need to worry about memorizing the terminologies that you will encounter. And on cloud computing, this is the advice of our instructor. It's the same idea, guys, with the QOS. Our instructor said that Cisco will not test us for any kind of configuration or any kind of hands-on details. Rather, they will test us for the theory behind the cloud computing. And our instructor said that they will most likely ask about the different service models and different deployment models. On the CCNA Gold Bootcamp, these are the topic under cloud computing, guys. We have the introduction, traditional IT deployment models, and cloud computing definition, cloud computing case studies, server virtualization, virtualizing network devices, cloud service models, cloud deployment models, and cloud computing advantages. On cloud computing topic, guys, you will encounter many terminologies here, but it's not that hard to remember. And if you're already on the IT field, most likely you already heard some of the terminologies here, like virtualizations, hypervisors, and different cloud service models. It's not that hard to remember and not that hard to analyze. The most important thing that we need to achieve when we got on this topic is we need to analyze the theory and to know the definition of terms, how they works, what they are, the theory behind it. And we don't need to focus, guys, on the configuration or the commands on the packet tracer. And that's all for my video today, guys. I hope you learned something and this video somehow helps you on your review. If you learned something from this video, please hit that like button and don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And by the way, please don't forget to follow FLACKBOX'S on our different social media accounts. All the links to that are also on the description below. And guys, I'm always saying this on all of my videos. If you haven't downloaded the free 400 pages of Cisco Lab Guide exercises, please download it now. You can download it freely. Just check the link on the description or somewhere on the cards on this video. It composes of 400 pages of lab guide exercises. We can take advantage of that for us to get familiar with the Cisco iOS command. And again, what else that I want to say is see you on my next video.